Welcome back to my channel Nike Talks. I'm Ankita Verma and I'm back again with a very different and a very unique topic this time. We had been looking out for some very interesting ideas to share with you, hence it took us a little while to come back. But this time, what I've got for you is something completely out of the box. So, we all know recently the Jagannath Yatra just took place. And if you deep dive and if you think through really hard, you'll realize it had some very beautiful meaning and lessons attached to life. So, today's video is actually dedicated to that life lessons that we can learn from the Jagannath Rath Yatra. So, let's get started. The Grand Rath Yatra is not just a celebration of Lord Jagannath's journey. It's a profound reminder that even the divine makes stops along the way. Every year, the Lord steps out of his temple, rides a chariot along the streets, meets his people, connects with them while making pauses during that journey. And in those sacred pauses lie the powerful learnings of life, my dear friend. That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So, there are four very powerful life lessons we can learn from this Rath Yatra journey. We are going to have a look at them one by one. The first one is even the divine doesn't rush the journey. In our life, we are constantly running, chasing dreams, milestones, goals, deadlines. But the Lord, through this journey, tells us that it is okay to stop. It is okay to pause. It is okay to slow down. It is more important to first connect where you are right now and then begin to move forward. So, if you have been not looking at the stopwatch or the clock and you've been constantly running in life, take a pause, breathe, have a look around. Did you miss anything? Are there some moments you had been craving for? Just introspect as to where you are. Are you going in the right direction? Are you taking the right steps? And let me tell you, through this deep thinking, your further steps are going to be equally powerful and meaningful in life. Learning number two, every stop is meaningful. Every halt of the Rath in the Rath Yatra is intentional. It is a moment of inclusion, grace, connectivity with its people, with its devotees. Likewise, in life, when we pause and think, they are not our failures. They are these important steps that we need to take in our journey to actually reach our destination, to make the journey more learningful, more meaningful, more powerful. Hence, pause, breathe, reflect, reset, and realign. Learning number three, progress doesn't always move fast. If you recollect how the chariot moves during this Rath Yatra, it is very slow because it is filled and pulled with love and devotion. Likewise, in life, it is not necessary that you reach your destinations or your dreams and aspirations are fulfilled immediately. Small, mindful steps actually will take you farthest. So, even if progress is taking a little time in your case, or you're still taking a little bit time to achieve your milestones, your goals, your aspirations, your desires, your dreams, it's absolutely okay. Again, you can always go back to the first two steps and rethink, pause, realign, maybe rework also. And even if the progress is taking a little time, you're definitely going to reach where you wish to. Learning number four, let others be a part of the journey. Thousands of people, devotees, they come together forward to pull the chariot. Likewise, in life, we need friends, family, mentors, coaches to walk with us, support us, sometimes even carry us when we are tired. That's the hard fact of life. We cannot travel alone. We cannot have this journey of life just all by ourselves. We will always need some people with us from our very first breath when we are born to our very last breath. So, if you're in that mindset of I am going to do it all alone, I think it's time to come out of it, my friend. And the best way to do is to first pause and then realign after rethinking. Hence, it is very important to have people along with you in your journey called life. So, just like the Lord steps out from his temple, pauses, connects with people, continues their journey onward, so should we. It is not weakness to stop, it is wisdom. So, pause, take a breath, take it slow, and then move ahead stronger, steadier, and more clearer. A very, very big takeaway from the Rath Yatra is let's honor our own pace. Our pace of achieving our goals, dreams, aspirations, milestones, learning, relearning, rethinking, and realigning. Because sometimes, my dear friend, standing still, pausing, is the most powerful move you can make. So, if you like the video, do press the like button. Do comment which of the lessons are you going to start implementing in life. Is there somebody who can actually take a lot of help from this video? Please do share it with them. Subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications so that you do not miss out on the upcoming videos. And I'm also ensuring that I keep sharing with you mindful and very helpful shots almost on daily basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.